We are here and looks like we're ready for a slumber party.
Yes.
We actually have a really fun video for you guys today, and this is all about waking up looking younger. And who doesn't want to wake up looking younger, right? So we have put together some great beauty tips and tricks for you guys that you can use while you're sleeping so that the next morning when you wake up, you look younger and more refreshed and your skin is glowing and just so much good stuff.
Yeah, and I love things that make me look better when I don't have to do anything but sleep.
Yeah.
So
this is like the lazy girl's guide to looking beautiful.
That's right. If you guys are new to our channel, I'm Christina. This is my best friend Kelly. We are fashion YouTubers who do everything from hauls, lookbooks, tips and tricks, and you can also follow us on Instagram over at Mommy's Makeup Moscato.
I'm ready for the slumber party. So our first trick we have for you guys today, this is a great one. We actually were contacted by Sleep and Glow, the makers of this awesome pillow, just to review a pillow for them. They wanted to know our thoughts. So this video is not sponsored, but we fell in love with this pillow. This pillow is being fought over currently in my home. But the thing about this Sleep and Glow pillow is this is all about waking up looking more beautiful, which kind of inspired the idea behind this video. So it has like a soft feel to it, and it's basically made to help you so that when you are resting, your skin does not get as puffy. You wake up with, less lines. A lot of times when your face is smashed into the pillowcase, you get those lines and wrinkles on your face. This pillow helps with that. It has this wonderful, like, soft, special pillowcase. It also helps for side sleepers. So it's actually got these cutout grooves if you want to sleep on your left side or your right side, or if you're a back sleeper, your back, your head goes right here. And this really does do such a great job with eliminating the puffiness and the lines in the face. It just helps your skincare to be able to work. Your face is not, squished into the pillow. So all of that skincare can really like soak into your skin, and it just is really great for getting beauty sleep. It brings new meaning to the word beauty sleep.
It's so true. And one of the other benefits with this also is as we get older, we sometimes have neck pain and maybe some shoulder pain, and this pillow really is helpful with that. I have a lot of shoulder pain, and I usually have to have just a whole array around me of pillows, formed in a certain way just in order to get me to fall asleep. And it really has been just such a blessing to be able to have this pillow because I've never been a back sleeper. However, I was laying on it and within 5 minutes completely fell asleep on my back. And being able to immediately go to sleep versus having to toss and turn left and right and being uncomfortable during the night, you just don't appreciate a good night's rest until you have, don't have that problem anymore. And so it really has made just a huge difference in the way that I'm able to sleep. And I am unfortunately one of those people who is constantly getting like sleep lines in my face, which I am not having that anymore. So it's the same thing. My kids and my husband are both asking me like, oh my God,
everyone wants to use the pillow.
Yes, exactly.
Well, the good part is this is an investment. It's not a cheap pillow. However, it is meant to last, and we actually have a discount code for you guys in the description bar, Mommy's 10, that will save you some money on this pillow. So make sure you check that out. I may need to get another one. Funny story too about this pillow and how I know it reduces swelling is that my youngest daughter actually had some oral surgery, so she has lots of swelling. She was really suffering. I let her use the pillow, and it actually did really help with her swelling. So that's why now I'm having to like steal it back because she is trying to take it from me. So we might be investing in a few more of these. So thank God for the discount code.
So our second tip for waking up looking younger is using glycerin. So if you guys have any sort of issues with any dryness or cracking, on your feet, especially around the heel area, glycerin is such a great product to put on. It's actually the same ingredient that's used in a lot of like different lotions and all of those like body scrubs. It's a skin protectant and also a skin softener. So it's easy just to be able to apply it to the heels of your feet, and then you can just use a pair of fluffy socks over your feet just to help soak in all of that moisture and hydrating.
Yeah, this is really a lifesaver, especially for those of you who maybe haven't been able to get to the spa and get that regular pedicure. This is going to really help out when you're trying to put on your summer sandals and your heels feel like sandpaper. This is your solution. So one great beauty sleep trick is all of these new masks that have come out that are literally invented for wearing them to bed. So this is a great one by the brand Bliss. It's called Watermelon Reviving and Distressing Overnight Mask. And basically this is a mask that you put on before bedtime and you leave it on your skin. It's really able to soak into your skin while you are sleeping and get the moisturizing benefits of your skin, so that when you wake up in the morning, you wash your face and your skin is just glowing and moisturized and plump and beautiful. And of course it works really well in combination with the sleep pillow to work, and really benefit your skin while you're sleeping.
Yeah, as we get older, our skin is going to get drier and drier. So making sure that we're really hydrating the skin is going to help to reduce any of those fine lines, wrinkling, any sort of issues that you're having with your skin. And being able to put on a mask while you sleep, that really is just as simple as can be, and no excuse not to be able to take care of your skin and then wake up looking your best. So our next tip is going to help you have that perfect little pout in the morning. And one product that we came across and we both really love is this lip sleeping mask. If you've seen our other videos on tips and tricks, we've definitely talked about this one before. This one is by Laneige. You're able to easily apply it. It's kind of like a lip balm type of consistency. It's not overly greasy. It doesn't end up being smudged all over and end up on your eye in the morning, but it's just an easy way to be able to hydrate your lips. As we get older, obviously, you're gonna have, some of that lip cracking. You might even have some of those little laugh lines that come right around your mouth. And this is definitely a product that is going to help hydrate your lips and make that lip gloss or lipstick that you use the next day just really look beautiful.
Yeah, this is a great product, and it doesn't have any heavy smell or taste to it. It's just very smooth and it's just very luxurious feeling on the lips, and it will help you to just wake up with those younger, plumper, healthier looking lips. So this is a good one. Definitely check this out. So last but not least is a little something for the hands. I feel like the hands are one of those areas that often get neglected and can really show the signs of aging. So while you're sleeping, might as well take good care of them. We've got these aloe moisturizing gloves that you can actually put on. If you want a little extra, you can put some moisturizer on your hands first and put these on, but you don't even need to do that because the gloves themselves are actually made to, just soothe the hands and moisturize them. They actually feel really soft and beautiful. So yeah, this is a great way. Put these gloves on at night, wake up with more soft, moisturized skin. There's aloe in the gloves that really helps to just soothe them and, prevent any of that cracking and dryness in the skin. So yeah, this is a good one. Another way to just wake up looking younger and more beautiful.
Yeah, and they're also perfect, especially now when we're all doing a lot more hand washing. It can really dry out your hands and strip your skin of all of those essential oils. And I know that my son is really having a problem with it. So if I'm not having to lather him up with stuff, being able to use these gloves honestly are just such an easy way to do it. And they also come in socks as well. So these are ones that you can wear even when you're using the glycerin. These are specifically socks that you can put on. You know that they've got the aloe in it. They're gonna soak it all up. So yeah, great products. So we'll be sure to link both of these products down below in the description box for you guys.
Okay, so I think we covered you from head to toe of all the things you can do to get your beauty sleep. Make sure you check out the links for all these products and that discount code for the Sleep and Glow pillow. And until next time,